what it will do is it will load the method, and this is all the method, so you don't have to change the method, but you have to press download. Okay, and what this button does is that it will download this program from the computer to the GC. Okay, so immediately you will see over here, right? This is the real-time sort of the status of the GC. Okay, there are a couple of things. So when we have time, we'll discuss how GC works in principle. But there's just a couple of things, right? This is the inlet temperature. Okay, so how hot is the injector? The injector has to be hot enough such that when your sample goes into the injector, it vaporizes. Exactly right. So if it's yellow, that means it's not ready. If it becomes white, that means it's ready. Ready meaning that it is at the value which we set in the program. Okay, that's basically what it means. All right. So the injector, the inlet has temperature, has pressure, and here is a total flow. That means is how much amount of gas per mil per minute is going through the column. Okay, this is the sort of the total flow. Right? I mean, not to the column, but total amount of gas being used right now by the GC. Okay, of course, if this number is really high, then that means our cylinder will not last very long, right? We have to change it. So don't worry too much about that. Column temperature is the temperature at the column right now. This one we typically start very low, and through our program, it will gradually increase in temperature, because higher the temperature, faster the chemical will move through the column. Okay, but don't worry too much about that. And then here, this is the BID, the detector temperature. Okay, when the temperature reaches about 230, that's where we set it to be. Then we will turn on the detector, turn on the plasma. So this is what we're waiting right now. Okay. All right. So anything else I want to show you right now? Yeah. So you can see that in the real-time chromatogram, right? The values are really large, which is why you see a flat line. So you can here is zoom in and zoom out. Okay, you can zoom in, and obviously right now it's just 0. Why do you think that is? Of course, it's because my detector is not turned on. Okay, so my detector is not turned on. That's why it's a 0. Okay. Alright, so I will, of course, usually I will wait until this one reaches 230 degrees, but for now, I'm just going to turn it on, okay? But always remember, when you're running it, you just give it a time to reach 230, but if you want to turn on the plasma and the detector, just, wait until the temperature gets a little bit higher, okay? Alright, so the sequence is always you turn on the detector, right? So detector is now turned on. Now you want to turn on the plasma, okay? Alright, and here if you right click, you can do normalize.